In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a new column in Trello, step by step. Whether you're managing projects, planning content, organizing tasks, or collaborating with a team, adding new columns, also known as lists, is one of the most important features inside Trello. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a new column, name it properly, and start adding or moving cards into it. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open Trello and go to the board where you want to add the new column. Log into your Trello account, and from your home dashboard, click on the specific board you want to work on. This could be a project board, a lesson plan, a content calendar, or any workflow you've already created. Once you're inside the board, you'll see your existing columns displayed horizontally across the screen. In Trello, these columns are called lists, and each list represents a stage in your workflow, such as to do, doing, or done. To add a new column, scroll all the way to the right side of your existing lists. At the end of your board, you'll see an option that says Add Another List. This is the button you need to click in order to create a new column. Go ahead and click on Add Another List. As soon as you click it, Trello will give you a text field where you can type the name of your new list. This is where you decide what this column will represent. For example, you could name it Review, Pending, Ideas, Backlog, Completed, or anything that fits your workflow. Type in the name you want for your new column. After typing the list name, click the Add List button. Immediately, your new column will appear on the board alongside your other lists. You can click and drag the list header if you want to reposition it. For example, if you accidentally added it at the end, but want it between two existing columns, simply click and hold the list title and drag it to the desired position. Trello makes it very easy to reorganize your workflow visually. Now that your new column has been created, you can start adding cards to it. Inside the new list, click on Add a Card. A text box will appear where you can type the title of your new task or item. Enter the name of the card and press Enter, or click Add Card to save it. You can repeat this process to add as many cards as you need. If you already have cards in other lists and want to move them into your new column, simply drag and drop them. Click and hold the card, move it across the board, and drop it into your new list. This is especially useful if you're restructuring your workflow or adding a new stage to an existing project. And that's it. You've successfully added a new column in Trello, named it, repositioned it if needed, and started adding or moving cards into it. As you can see, Trello makes it incredibly simple to customize your board and adapt it to your workflow. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Trello tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.